Hello, what's up? What's good? What's going on? It's your boy Chewy Spice once again. Gonna show you guys how to properly make some chicken. You wanna cut that end off. Cut that end off. Be careful with the knife if you're not a chef. After you cut that end off, skin, vinegar and lime. Always vinegar and lime in all your meat. Properly clean it. Rub it in the meat. Squeeze the juice in there. Vinegar and lime. Sometimes I like to let it sit in there for some time, 10, 20 minutes. Don't matter. The longer it stays in the longer the vinegar and lime stays with that meat, the better it is, the cleaner it is. Um, it's gonna have that clean lime taste to it. It's gonna be good. Sure you get everything a good mix in. Good mix. Sure everything copacetic. Yeah, you guys wanna boil some hot water to give that meat a pre-cook, and it also disinfect whatever it needs to disinfect at the same time. Get that nice stir, nice and good. Chicken already looking good. It ain't even cooked yet. Now, boom, let's get started with the fun. Our meat is ready to cook. We're gonna put it in our pot. Put it in our pot. We're gonna cook this bad boy up. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's get started with the seasoning. Get some salt. I'm saying not too much, not too little. Right between. We got some cayenne pepper here. Some cayenne pepper. Can never go wrong with spice. Named Chewy Spice for a reason. Come on now. Chicken starting to look good now. I'm trying to tell you. This you can find at your nearest Walmart. Little dash. Feel me? Little dash, not do dash, but the dash. If you know, you know. Adobo is a must. Get some of that adobo in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got some paprika right here. Can never go wrong with spice. Come on. I'm a spice fanatic. It don't be too spicy, but just a little bit of spice. We got some sazon. We're gonna open that one pack and put it in there. Boom, boom, boom. Garlic powder. We're gonna get some garlic powder. Oil. Uh, oil. I believe I just put the garlic powder already, but oil can never go. We need a little bit of oil. And this right here, for the people that be like, what's the green stuff? What's the green stuff? The green stuff is piece, aka surfrito. Spanish people make it. Other culture make it. Um, Epis, we call it epis. I'm Haitian, so the Haitian community call it epis. Epis is a blend of spice. It's a blend of spice, celery, pepper, you name it. Things blended together. This is like step step what 3? Let that chicken cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. You know what I'm saying? I already did put it in the air fryer. I think at this point I did. Yeah, that's why it's darkened meat. Ragu to make the sauce, red. But I already put it in the air fryer. You got your green peppers, got your onions. Good. Sauce looking good. Yes, sir. Oh, this was so good. Yeah, this what it's supposed to be looking like with your green peppers and your onions and your chicken.